Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw xurkitree from Pokemon. And if you guys are xurkitree fans, be sure to like that, make sure to leave a comment below, and make sure to smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe. Anyways, let's get started on drawing this guy, huh? If you ask me, this guy is one of my favorite Pokemon, because I don't want to stop drawing these guys. Anyways, xurkitree is known as the glowing Pokemon, and he's an electric type. Xurkitree is one of the mysterious Ultra Beasts He invaded an electric plant after it emerged from an ultra wormhole. Some suspect it absorbs electricity into its body. The power gives off shocks. Okay. Anyways, when you see Xurkitree doesn't really have any eyes. Anyways, his body, it's a little star-like. Okay, next up, here's his body. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Next thing, you just gotta draw the wiring in his body. Okay, here's another fact. If you saw my Blacephalon video, you should know that Xurkitree and Blacephalon are both rivals, and they both are great performers. And the first time they saw each other, they both used Spark and Mind Blown. And if you ask me, the two of them have really powerful moves, and if their performances kept up, it might have caused a huge storm, and it might have almost destroyed Alola. But actually, that would be kind of cool, actually, because Xurkitree and Blacephalon, they might be able to create an army of ultra wormholes. One enough to literally blow up Melemele Island or suck it in. But we don't know for sure. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's the wires in his body. Okay, next up, here's the wires. gotta keep track of his fingers. Alexa, what is the Metrodon?
The local sunrise time in Metro for Tuesday, August 4th was 6:07 a.m. The next sunrise time is 6:07 a.m.
Man. Alexa, what is Dimetrodon?
According to Wikipedia, Dimetrodon is an extinct genus of non-mammalian synapsids that lived during the Cisuralian, around 295 to 272 million years ago. It is a member of the family Sphenacodontidae. The most prominent feature of Dimetrodon is the large neural spine sail on its back formed by elongated spines extending from the vertebrae.
Okay, awesome. Alexa, play We'll Be There.
We'll Be There by We Bear Bears, featuring Estelle on Amazon.
There we go. There's his arms. Next up is its tail.
When it's 5 on the dot and you're up the clock and can't find much to do, and you wanna hang out, maybe dance around or hang out with somebody new.
There we go.
I'll be right there, 'cause you're part of the crew. You will be right there, waiting for you. And when the weekend comes and you're up for fun, then you wait till
there we go. Next thing, you just gotta draw the plug on his tail. And there we go. That is how you draw xurkitree. And its attacks are Tail Glow, Spark, Charge, Wrap, Thundershock, Thunderwave, Shockwave, Ingrain, Thunder Punch, Eerie Impulse, Signal Beam, Thunderbolt, Hypnosis, Discharge, Electric Terrain, Power Rip, Iron Deluge, and Zap Cannon. Ion Deluge, actually. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Bye!